Think about the last time you called a local business.
Thank you for calling. Press 1. Press 2. Press 3.
By the time you finally reach someone, you're already frustrated. Now imagine that happening hundreds of times every single day. Every missed call means a potential customer lost, and for many small businesses, nobody is available to answer the phone 24/7. Here's the interesting part. Most AI calling tools only give you a voice model. They sound impressive in a demo, but that's where it ends. A real business needs call routing, CRM updates, monitoring, testing, analytics, and reliable call handling. That's exactly why Retell AI caught my attention. They recently launched Conductor, an AI copilot that lets you describe the voice agent you want in plain English, and it builds the complete workflow for you. So in today's video, we're going to build a real inbound AI receptionist live on camera. Customize it to sound much more human using Retell's new Expressive Mode, test it with a real phone call, and then see why this could be one of the best AI business opportunities in 2026. If you're new here, I'm TeckLord AI. I build AI workflows and automation systems that help businesses save time and improve customer experience. If you enjoy practical AI tutorials like this, consider subscribing. Let's jump in. One thing many people misunderstand is that AI calling isn't just connecting a voice model to a phone number. That's only one small piece of the puzzle. Behind every production-ready AI phone system, you need things like call routing, business logic, CRM integration, monitoring, testing, analytics, quality assurance. That's what separates a cool AI demo from something a real business can actually rely on every day. Let's open Retell AI. Normally, you'd create a voice agent manually and configure every setting yourself. But today, we're using the new Conductor feature. First, click Create an Agent, then select Voice Agent and choose Single Prompt. Next, go to Templates and select Generate from Prompt. Retell just launched Conductor, an AI tool that builds and tests voice agents for you. Just describe what you want, and it handles everything, from writing the prompt to choosing the best voice, model, and settings. Trained on thousands of production-ready voice agents, it uses proven patterns instead of generic AI prompts. Need more control? Turn a single prompt into a conversational flow with one click. Conductor automatically builds every node, transition, and logic. You can also add functions, edge case examples, or optimize tokens and latency just by asking. It even tests your agent with AI simulations, finds issues before real users do, suggests fixes, and lets you approve every change. Already have a live agent? Simply share a failed call and Conductor will diagnose, fix, and retest it. Stop configuring voice agents, just describe them. Conductor does the rest. Now let me show you the entire process from the beginning, step by step. For this example, I want an inbound support agent for an online homeware store that sells furniture, kitchen products, bedding, and bathroom accessories. After describing the requirements, Conductor generates the workflow automatically. From here, we can review everything before deploying it. This saves a huge amount of setup time. Now let's customize the AI a little further. Most of the system prompt is fairly standard. We define identity, personality, business information, response rules, task flow, what the AI should never say. The interesting part is how we make the voice sound much more natural. Retell recently introduced Expressive Mode for their built-in text-to-speech. Instead of reading every sentence in exactly the same tone, the AI can change its delivery depending on the conversation. For example, happy, curious, excited, surprised, and a few others. These aren't just decorations, they're instructions that tell the AI how to perform each sentence. For example, if the customer sounds angry, the AI can automatically become more empathetic. If the customer receives good news, it can sound happier. Instead of speaking in one flat robotic tone, the conversation starts feeling much more natural. Now, we select the model. We have too many options to select the models. Now we will choose voice for the call. So we have a lot of options are there. We select voices from 11 Labs, Minimax, Fish Audio, and many more. So now I simply try these voices and select best for my call. For this demo, I'm using one of Retell's built-in voices.
Whether it's one caller or 100, I'm here to ensure everyone gets fast, accurate, and friendly support.
Personally, I like this voice because it sounds professional without being overly polished. Then we simply enable Expressive Mode. You can either allow Retell to insert emotion tags automatically or manually place them inside your prompt. For example, happy, empathetic, pause, curious. These tags tell the voice exactly how to deliver that part of the conversation. The important thing is not to overuse them. Real people aren't excited all the time. Too many emotion tags actually make the conversation feel fake. Using them only at important emotional moments creates a much more believable experience. Besides emotion tags, I also like giving the AI instructions about pacing. For example, use commas naturally. Use short pauses before important information. Occasionally use natural filler words like, let me think, good question. It's also helpful to avoid overly corporate language. Instead of saying, I can certainly assist you today, you can encourage the AI to speak more naturally. Something like, yeah, no problem. I can help with that. Let me check. Small changes like these make a surprisingly big difference. Before testing the agent, I'll also open the agent handbook. Here I usually enable conversational tone, natural filler words, and higher empathy. These small adjustments help make conversations feel less scripted. Now, let's publish the agent and make a real phone call. Hi, I'm really frustrated. I ordered a kitchen knife, but you sent me a bed.
I'm sorry. That's really frustrating. So, you ordered a kitchen knife and got a bed instead. Let me help sort this out. Do you have your order number handy?
Yes, I have my order number. It's 42416.
Okay, your order number is 42416. Since I can't access the order system from here, the next step is to contact Northwind support with that number and tell them the kitchen knife order was fulfilled with a bed instead. Let me know if that works.
Yeah, exactly. I don't even know how something like this happens.
Yeah, that mix-up makes no sense. You ordered a kitchen knife and somehow got a bed instead. The best next step is to report it as a wrong item delivery and ask for either a replacement or a refund, correct?
So, what happens now? Do I have to send the bed back first?
Right, you're asking if you have to send the bed back first. I don't know Northwind's return policy from here, so I can't say for sure. The next step is to ask support whether they'll arrange pickup before the refund or replacement. Is that okay?
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yeah, glad that helps.
That actually sounded pretty convincing. The improvements are subtle. It's not trying to sound dramatic. It's simply speaking more like an actual person. That's exactly what you want. Now, here's the part that most AI demos never show you. The voice itself is only one component. Behind every call, Retell is handling everything else that businesses actually need. Customer information can be logged, call routing can be configured, workflows can trigger automatically, calls can be monitored for quality. You can review conversations later, everything is organized in one operational system. That's the difference between having an AI voice and having an AI contact center that businesses can actually run every day. So, is this just another AI demo? I don't think so. What makes Retell interesting isn't only the realistic voice, it's the complete platform behind it. And with Conductor, creating production-ready AI phone agents has become much faster than before. If you're building an AI agency, offering automation services, or looking for an AI business opportunity in 2026, this is definitely a platform worth exploring. Instead of selling an AI voice, you're offering businesses a complete phone operation that can answer calls, handle customers, and integrate into their existing workflow. That's a much stronger service and one businesses are actually willing to pay for. If you'd like to try Retell AI and Conductor yourself, you'll find the link in the description below.